Ever since I got to the United States, I realized how most of my decisions were made because of money. Not because all I care about is money, but because I was a 22-year-old that didn't even know that you need to pay rent in this country. I slowly realized that all I was doing in order to quote-unquote survive was just trading my time for money, and very little money. I spent years just doing this, but I had a goal of not having to trade my time for little pay, a goal of being able to see the world and not to worry about my money running out. I was desperate, anxious, I was lost, but most importantly, I had faith that one day I will make a good income without having to constantly trade my time for it. So I decided to start studying this concept of passive income that so many people talk about. And the common definition I found was passive income is an income that requires no effort to earn and maintain. The earner expends little effort to grow the income. My next question was how? How was I going to build that? This took me some time to answer, but my conclusion was simple. Most businesses that people tag as very risky and dangerous are the ones that allow you to have passive income. So why did my parents tell me that the best approach was to get a job and just retire at 60? Why did I even believe that that was the only way? It was because of fear. The life of someone that tries to start a new business, of someone that becomes an entrepreneur, is an emotional roller coaster where there's no guarantees that you will ever get paid. For me, it was a clear decision to start my journey as an entrepreneur, as a business builder. I told myself that roller coasters are way more fun than just a safe ride in a boring trail that has been walked over by so many people. So I went for it. What I didn't know was that the roller coaster meant very high and intense emotions. One day I felt optimistic and ready to get done, and the other day I felt desperate and confused.
You get stopped or you cannot do it as well because it's kind of overwhelming and it's not the best.
And it was all a cycle that could make anyone fall for the trap of giving up. At one point I felt lost. I didn't want to do it anymore. I was done. All of this work for nothing, no results, no change, no progress. Until one day I understood the truth about the path that I chose. It was nothing like my parents or teachers ever taught me. I understood the silent and unnoticeable phenomenon of the compound effect. I was so toxically addicted to immediate rewards that my brain couldn't comprehend the fact that the best and most rewarding accomplishments are not immediate. They take time and consistent effort to flourish. There was no way that my former self would have accomplished what I wanted to achieve. So I needed to become something else. I needed to become the upgraded version of myself. And that way, a new journey began.